Hello guys, my name is Nico and I'm your favorite fishmonger. Today I'm gonna clean one grouper fish. Wow. All we need guys is one scissors, knife, and that tool to remove the scales. Let's go. Let's go step by step together. First thing, we remove the things with the scissors. Look at this beast. Yes, you like it? Then with this one, we're gonna remove the scales. This way. This fish, guys, is a line cod, all the way from Indian Ocean. Line cod, very wild, super tasty, delicious. You can grill it, you can bake it in the oven, or you can make very nice soup with this head. Very nice soup. Barbecue, nice for grilling. We have to make sure to remove the scales even on top of the head. The head has a lot of scales. I have to do the best cleaning. I have to do the best cleaning for this fish. It's for special customer. So I have to make it look good. Big shout out to my cameraman Mohit. Mohit is doing the video shooting. Like, subscribe, make a comment if you ever try grouper fish, and if you like it, and which one is your favorite fish, yeah? Hello, good morning. And that's my favorite part, guys. It's time to gut the fish, to remove the gill. And earlier I saw the hook, was the hook still inside? So let me remove the hook first. We don't want the hook to stuck to anyone's the mouth and he go to the hospital straight. So yeah, we took it out the hook. As you can see. You want the hook? Comment. I'll save it. I'll keep it here. So yeah, we need a sharp knife now. A sharp knife. Remove the gill this way. We got the belly. That's it. The gill, guys, red, very fresh. We pull it out. Wow, wow. We take out whatever is inside. Skin, the guts, and the most important, we have to take out all the blood, guys, from inside. Hello, how are you? Right? Once we make sure, guys, that all the blood is off, we have to clean it and wash it. You have to wash it after. And we wash it very well. How do you find that, guys? Clean. So this order is for a barbecue. The customer is gonna make it barbecue. So he asked me to open it like a book. Like this way. Look at the meat, guys. Super fresh. It's an amazing fish. So they will grill it. They will marinate it. I don't know, like they will marinate it with olive oil, salt, pepper, maybe garlic, lemon, and ready for grill, like that. Wow. So how do you find it, guys? Rate this cleaning from 1 to 10. Press like, subscribe, comment, and what fish you want to see in my next video.